Rub oil into abdomen by moving in circular motion with both hands. Do 3 repetitions of the technique. Knead the abdomen alternately with both hands. Do 3 to 5 repetitions of the technique. Combine both hands to knead the area around belly button by moving in small circles. Do 16 repetitions of the technique. Combine both hands to knead the area around the belly button by moving in big circles. Do 16 repetitions of the technique. Push along the lowest ribs towards the 2 sides of waist with both hands 3 to 5 times. Push along groin towards the 2 sides of waist with both hands 3 to 5 times. Push alternately from one side of waist to belly button with both hands 3 to 5 times. Push alternately from one side of waist to groin with both hands 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Body detoxification with finger-shaped cups. The finger-shaped cups can help accelerate blood circulation, expel harmful waste, strengthen vessels, and relieve the condition of varicose veins. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. Mode 2 is recommended. Lift from one side of the waist to belly button 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side 3 times. Move in small circles around the belly button. Do 16 repetitions of the technique. Move in big circles around the belly button. Do 16 repetitions of the technique. Lift from both sides of the waist to belly button 3 to 5 times. Move up and down to shape waist 3 to 5 times. Use one hand as a cup to lift the belt vessel on the 2 sides 16 times. Detox body and expel damp with the body vacuum cups. The body vacuum cups can expel damp and cold, unblock meridians and clitoris, and circulate qi and blood. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. Mode 2 is recommended. Lift from both sides of the waist to belly button 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side 3 times. Move in small circles around belly button. Do 16 repetitions of the technique. Move in big circles around belly button. Do 16 repetitions of the technique. Lift from both sides of the waist to belly button 35 times. Move up and down to shape waist 3 to 5 times. Use one hand and the cup to lift the belt vessel on the 2 sides 16 times. Cup fixing treatment. Choose purple cups and fix them on the following acupoints: 下腕、天枢、大横、关元. 5 to 10 minutes. Mode 1 is recommended. Remove the cups and then wipe the area clean with towel. Unblock meridians with EMS patches. EMS patches can help tighten skin, unblock meridians, and regulate metabolism. 15 minutes is recommended. 1 to 3 NS level is recommended. Adjust it based on individual endurance. Use 2 to 4 pairs of patches according to the size of the target area. Wrap the binding strip around the target area. Do not wrap it too tight, otherwise there's discomfort. Apply some gel evenly to the EMS patches. Fix the patches on the fat area of abdomen and waist. Press button to begin treatment. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the patches and untie the strip. Wipe gel off abdomen and waist with towel. In applicable range, women in pregnancy or lactation, those with heart diseases or who are equipped with pacemakers, those who don't fully recover from operation or whose incisions have not healed yet, those with severe diseases such as epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism or malignant tumors, those with skin disease or infectious diseases.